Maraming taon din ang lumipas simula nang magsagawa ang mga researchers ng mga pag-aaral patungkol sa mga panibagong paraan upang maipakilala ang popular culture. Ngayon, tunghayan natin ang mensaheng iniwan ni Senator Albert Lanza patungkol sa recent development. Anong balita dyan, Faith?
Narito tayo sa pamantasan ng Luzon ng Maynila kung saan mag-iiwan ng mensahe ang ating Senator Alberto Blanza patungkol sa some recent development.
Magandang hapon sa inyo mga kababayan. First of all, gusto ko lang pasalamatan lahat ng mga bumoto sa akin. And as for today, there are researchers that are working for a new way to interpret the popular culture here. And these are
Ayon kay Senator Albert Lanza, may recent development na isinasagawa ang mga researchers. Ilan sa mga ito ay ang the discourse and popular culture, kung saan ginagamit ang karamihan ngayon upang maghayag ng ideya sa loobin at kaalaman sa publiko using social media. According to Senator Lanza, earlier, he posted his message sharing information to the masses about the new ways of delivering ideas. He included that the way of relaying a message to the masses became easier. The Senate included in his message that the way of informing the masses before was through the use of printed paper, where a person still needed to walk miles just to buy it and know what's the news for a day. One example of this is the magazine, where all the fashions and known foods are all on printed paper. But as the researchers were working for a new way to interpret it, the masses didn't need the printed paper anymore. Just to know what's the news today, they just needed to have a phone and technology just to have an update about the news and the new fashion and food trend. At sunod naman na ipinahayag ng Senator ay ang dialogical approach to popular culture. The dialogical approach is when the person is discussing the differences between the two given statements. Ayon kay Senator, it is to post on social media and announce it live, where the audience may still get the message of the Senate about popular culture wherever they are. The viewers may approach it by reading and watching on social media. Cultural populism experiences involve analyzing how people interact and finding their meaning in this culture. Populism is known as the people in an area, while cultural is the group of people where it includes the beliefs, tradition, and the way of a life of a person.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga researchers na ito dahil hindi tayo makakapag-post ng mga informasyon kundi dahil sa kanila. This might be the way into our successful future.
Mula sa mga balitang patungkol sa politics, popular culture, ating susumahin. Sa paglipas ng maraming taon, hindi pa rin natitigil ang usaping issue pagdating sa politika at kultura kultural. Gayon din kung anong relasyon nito. Sa usaping action films, naman, noong panahon ni Arroyo, ito ay dineklarang unseen. Tungkol naman sa mga karaniwang pakiwari patungkol sa mga middle class, tila hindi pa rin nagkaroon ng pantay na pagtrato na hanggang ngayon ay laganap pa rin sa ating bansa. At ang huli ay ang balitang postmodernism na may pag-aalinlangan sa mga modernist